Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to be using the fantastic Supreme Modules plugin. Great addition for Divi, and we're going to do these floating images right here. And that's a nice eye-catching effect to have on your site, and it's really easy to do. So let's get started. I'm going to start by enabling the Visual Builder. Once enabled, I'm going to go down to where I want to work, and let's just delete this module. I've got a section and a row with a single column in it. Let's just delete the module that's in it, and we'll start from scratch. Hit the little button to add a new module. Divi by default comes with all the light grey ones here, plenty enough to build just about any site. When you add Supreme Modules to it, or the Pro version, you get another 40 modules that can do all kind of different things, and it really is a great addition to the Divi theme. And those are all the dark blue sort of purple ones here. Okay, and the one we want today is Supreme Floating Images. There we go, Supreme Floating Multi Images. The first thing we need to do is add an item. I'm going to add an image. Now you can see it's added an image and it's floating. As you can see, it's floating up and down, which is a nice little visual effect. Now at the moment we can just add more images on top of it, but if you go to the design tab of the actual image and we'll go to sizing, you can horizontally align it, put it where you want, left, right, center, and you can vertical align it up or down, depending where you want it. But as we've only got one there, it's kind of difficult to judge this at the moment. Let's add a couple more and then sort them out. So let's just save this. Let's add a new image. And we'll just grab a picture. And let's go ahead and add another one as well while we're here. As you can see, it adds them over the top of each other. So now we've got 3 of them in there. Now we can sort of position them a bit better. So if we go to our design tab, to our sizing again, we're working with this third one at the moment. Horizontally, we want it more over to the right, so I'm going to put it over here somewhere. Width wise, there's 3 of them, so I want them around 30%. If you want them to overlap, put them just a little bit more than 33%, and they should still overlap. So let's put this about 34%. Let's make it 35% for fun, or 37 even. You can fine tune with the little arrows there if you want to. Okay, now let's go into our second one. And we'll do the same thing to design, sizing, horizontal. Let's put them in the middle ish. And again, let's make them about 35%. So I actually put pixels in there, which made it really small. So I typed that in there. Just select the pixels and type percentage in there to change it to percent if you need to. There we go, that's a bit more like it. And we'll do the same thing with the first one. To the design, to the sizing. And again, let's take this down about 33-34%. Or whatever works for you. Great, so we can see all of our images floating up and down now. So let's just do some vertical alignment now we've got them. This one, let's take it down a little bit. That's fine. Middle one, I guess I'll leave where it is. And let's just change that third one. Design, sizing, vertical align. I'm not quite sure where I want it. Something like that. That's great. So that's a nice little effect there. Maybe a little bit too much. And I'm going to take that width down a tad too. Okay, so there we have it. That's pretty cool. Now the only thing we want, you may want to change the order in which ones are overlapping, because at the moment first one's behind and then the second one's in front of it, and the third one's in front of it. We can actually change that with our Z index. For instance, if you wanted the middle one there in front of everything else, let's select the middle one. We can go to our Advanced tab, to our Positioning, and you'll find Z index. Higher the number, the more forward it is. So you can just slide this up until it pops in front like that. If you wanted the first one to be in front of this one, it'll have to have a Z index higher than 7. So let's go in there and just do that. Advanced, Position, Z index. And as soon as I bring it above 7, it should pop in front. Do it with the little arrows if you just got a small way to go. There we go. So of course you can tweak them however you want, get them however you want, but I'm fairly happy with that. So let's save our changes. Save the page changes. And exit the Visual Builder. Go down to where we were. And there's our little floating images. Like I say, that's a pretty eye-catching thing to have on your site. That's going to get people's attention. So once again, that's been the Divi Supreme Modules plugin today. I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and WebDesignTechTips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.